Even particles too small to see with the naked eye can trigger one of the body's fastest protective reflexes, the sneeze. Within the nasal passages, sensitive receptors detect intruders, instantly transmitting signals to the brain. In milliseconds, the brain receives the signal and coordinates a precise automatic response, engaging the chest, throat, and facial muscles. Air is drawn deep into the lungs and compressed, creating the force necessary to expel the irritant from the nasal cavity. And just like that, the body expels tiny particles in a sneeze, a simple yet remarkable way to defend itself from invisible intruders.